We've all been there, trying to enjoy a perfect beach day, but your towel is soaked and covered in half the beach. Today, we're fixing that. We're unboxing and reviewing the best sandproof beach blankets for 2026. From the massive coverage of the Genoviga to the wind-defying stakes of the WEKAPO, we're testing portability, heat resistance, and most importantly, does the sand actually slide right off? Let's find out which one is the ultimate must-have for your next vacation. Product number 1. Genoviga Waterproof Sandproof Beach Blanket. The Genoviga Extra Large Beach Blanket is a quintessential road trip gadget designed for those who refuse to compromise on space. Spanning an impressive footprint, this XL mat is engineered with high-density polyester that provides a genuine sandproof and waterproof barrier. During our unboxing, the material felt remarkably lightweight yet durable enough to withstand the friction of a rugged RV lifestyle. It's more than just a beach accessory, it's a versatile outdoor mat that excels as a picnic base or a hiking necessity. The foldable design allows it to shrink down into a compact pouch, making it a must-have for families who need to maximize trunk space. If you are looking for a giant, reliable surface that keeps the moisture of the grass and the grit of the sand at bay, the Genoviga is a top-tier professional choice for 2026. Product number 2. WEKAPO Beach Blanket, oversized and compact. WEKAPO has mastered the balance between massive coverage and extreme portability. This specific model is a favorite for cruise and vacation enthusiasts because it offers enough room for a group of 5 to sit comfortably while folding down into a bag no larger than a clutch. The parachute ripstop nylon is the star here. It's breathable, quick-drying, and stays cool even under the direct 100-degree Fahrenheit sun. What we loved most in our review was the stay-put engineering. The blanket features 4 integrated corner sand pockets. By simply filling these with a bit of sand, the blanket remains anchored even on breezy coastlines. It is an essential item for anyone who wants a sand-free experience without the bulk of traditional heavy towels. Product number 3. WEKAPO Beach Blanket with Metal Stakes. For those who frequent windier environments like coastal cliffs or open camping plains, this WEKAPO variant adds a layer of security with its included metal stakes. While it retains the signature quick-drying and sand-repellent fabric of the brand, the addition of dedicated loops and stakes ensures your home base doesn't fly away while you're in the water. In our testing, the stakes were easy to drive into both soft sand and firmer soil, making it a true crossover product for picnics and camping. The triple-stitch seams provide excellent build quality, preventing fraying even after multiple washes. It's a value-heavy pack for the serious outdoor enthusiast who needs a reliable, anchored surface for all-day excursions. Product number 4. Lamicol Waterproof Phone Pouch Case 2-pack. Lamicol focuses on the Easy Lock experience, making this the most user-friendly option for families or those who need to access their phones frequently. The heavy-duty IPX8 construction utilizes a reinforced top bar that snaps shut with a tactile click, ensuring a waterproof barrier against sand, snow, and surf. It is an excellent gift protector because of its ruggedized edges, which provide a bit more impact resistance than the average thin film pouch. In our testing, the screen sensitivity remained high even when wet, which is often a pain point for cheaper alternatives. The 2-pack configuration makes it a cost-effective solution for couples heading to the beach, providing professional-grade security without a steep price tag. Product number 5. WEKAPO Beach Blanket with 6 stakes and 4 corner anchors. This is the pro-level kit for those who want maximum stability. By combining 6 heavy-duty stakes with 4 reinforced corner sand pockets, WEKAPO has created a blanket that is virtually windproof. The extra-large dimensions make it a sprawling oasis for large families. During our 10-year veteran assessment, the quick dry technology stood out. Even after a sudden tropical downpour, the blanket was dry enough to pack away within minutes. The lightweight nature of the ripstop nylon ensures that despite its massive size, it doesn't add significant weight to your gear bag. It's a comprehensive beach essential that covers all the bases, literally.